Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Poor little Dogecoin, still heading lower. Last levels we had on our videos, we haven't got down to the major levels, this 0.003088. We did also do, this wasn't on the last video, but I drew this in afterwards, the reverse scan box from this highs, from this little corrective move back to there, giving us the next major 0.003493. Coming back down, pretty much closing on that. I know it spiked below it, closing on that, returning to the rotation zone, coming back down, hitting that level again, going back up, hitting the rotation zone. Now, if Doge can eventually get above its rotation zone, you could watch for a return to possibly 0.004, the declining 50, and we'll fine-tune that with the daily and see how that's coming in. If not, and then if we break back below this level, we can also now reverse the scan box because they've been hit, and we can come over here because that's the new low and see what the next intermediate levels are, and look at that line up perfectly. So intermediate level 0.0032 and major level just reinforced. We had 0.00308875. Now we have 0.00306625. So right in this area, if it does head lower, that's going to be a major targeting area to watch for little Dogecoin. Let's see how this looks. So on a rally up, if we do manage to get some traction here, that 0.004 or just in front of that level, declining 8. Again, we had support, breakdown from that level. So that's now resistance and the declining 8 top the rotation zone. And right above there's the flat 200 SMA. So that's really what to watch. So watch for a price coming up to this 8 if we do rally. The other option, as we've talked about, is if we just go sideways and watch what happens when the 8 catches up, that would we'd then be watching for lower prices. But hopefully Doge can get a little rally on and return to the 0.004 level. Also, we did have a divergence here. So if you notice, price here made a lower low. So price compared on the 9th and then the 15th was lower low, but the RSI made a higher low. So that's a slightly bullish sign to get us back to the rotation zone on the daily. But no, it's not a very bullish sign because we can still break way lower from here if it can't get traction into the rotation zone. Checking in on Stellar. Stellar again, we had the 0.22275 level coming right down. Just dipping below it slightly, then holding right at that level. Back to the prior GAN level, 0.24. You see that was resistance. And then we had the declining 8 coming in. So not able to get above the rotation zone yet. This, again, a lot of weakness. Going to update these levels. Now let's move them down from the major high to here. This is going to give us their next big levels. You can also fine-tune these levels if you want other areas to watch for. And, you know, we had this nice corrective move, so we can come from here, the top of the corrective move where it went sideways, come to this too. And you see that gives us the 0.2002 level. And then we have the major cluster 0.187 to 189. That's going to be the next major area to watch for lower if it can't get above the rotation zone. Let's take a look at this rotation zone. So if we can get a pop up, if this can get any traction, the next major areas are returned to about the 0.25 area. Then above that, we'll be watching for about 2.7. Let's check in on our daily chart. Again, we're finding some support right with the rising 200 simple moving average. Nice long tail here. So, and the declining, I said that 0.27 level, that's where the 8 is right now. So, I mean, we could have an abrupt rally up there, but you might want to focus, fine-tune that 0.27 if we do get the stronger rally, and fine-tune it a bit lower and watch where the 8 is coming in. That's really all we have on Stellar to watch for. It has not been able to get much traction, and getting selling whenever that 8 catches up. See how it paused, 8 caught up, and then it collapsed back down. So that's something to watch for when it does get in contact with the 8 EMA. It's a timing mechanism. So again, Stellar and Doge update for today, and we will talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.